Let me tell you why Lesuan Nanostraight is one of the best options for our clients and it stands out from other protein straightening treatments. Because our clients nowadays are really concerned about the damage from harsh chemical treatments like rebonding that has high alkalinity and traditional Brazilian keratin treatments that has high level of formaldehyde. Lasuan Nanostraight is a good alternative because the process is gentle and suitable ito for our clients who are looking for a natural volume straight. At the same time, the hair has better condition and still looks healthy after the procedure. When it comes to technology, Nanostraight is powered by encapsulated proteins and amino acids that deeply penetrates the hair shaft. Because of its ultra-small nanomolecules, the formulation is designed to achieve better molecular binding, and once all the ingredients are thermally activated through the heat of hair iron, this treatment will fully and evenly absorb into the hair shaft, kaya nare-repair ng nanostraight even the most damaged hair fibers. Do you wanna know what makes us nanostraight really impressive? It's the ability to target dry and damaged areas while still giving a soft and natural looking straight. This is why NanoStraight gaining more positive reviews from clients who love the results, because it's not just about making the hair straight, it's about creating smoother, healthier looking hair using the advanced and real nanotechnology. If you are a professional hairdresser and salon owner who wanted to offer nanostraight service in your salons, DM us now and avail our promotional offer just for you.